Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video segment, I'm going to show you how to change your thermostat on your 6.7 Cummins engine. Now, you may say I have cheated a little bit. Well, I'm in the process of actually cleaning the EGR cooler, but you have a hose here that's going to the front of the EGR cooler that you're going to need to disconnect. It's 2 bolts here. You'll disconnect. You have 3 bolts that is holding on the thermostat housing. You're going to lose a little antifreeze unless you decide to drain the radiator. Me, I just normally disconnect, but it would be wise to drain the radiator to save on some of your coolant. And the beauty about this hose, this thermostat, you really don't have to take the hose off, but I went ahead and took the clamp off anyway, but you'll still be able to get to all 3 bolts. Last but least, and then we have all 3 of the bolts removed. All you have to do, just break it loose. And there she is. Just gonna move the hose out the way. Just move it to the side. Move everything else to the side. Looks like the O-ring actually a little worn. $47. It don't hurt to replace it. I'm glad I did. Look at that. This is the amount of antifreeze that you will actually lose. So I like to have a clean drain pan and be able to catch at least 2.5 gallons of antifreeze. And I like to reuse it, so just be prepared. This is the old one, and the rubber has actually came out of place. You see the new one. What a difference. We're just going to make sure our surface is clean, and we're just going to drop the new one right in. You don't have to worry about a gasket or anything because you have a O-ring around the thermostat. We're just going to make sure our surface is clean. All right, we want to put the top radiator hose back on. And you want to keep in mind these 2 hoses are going to work hand in hand. And we're going to mount back 3 of our 8mm bolts. Tighten down our bolt. And guys, I almost forgot. I should have left this clamp on the top radiator hose. Now I got to put it on and it's mounted. That's all right. Don't forget your clamp. You do not have to take this off. Well, we have all 3 of our thermostat housing bolts in place. Then we're going to put our gasket back on our EGR cooler. Tighten down our bolt. Again, we need a 10mm. All you want to do is check for leaks. Everything looks good underneath. That's all you have to do to change your thermostat on your Cummins 6.7 liter diesel. And I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care, and God bless.